Hi, welcome to CRASTO-SISTE'RS with Reena Crasto. Today I am going to share recipe of prawn masala fry, which is good combination for rice and dal. To prepare this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get updates on our latest videos. Follow the instruction for this recipe. Firstly, clean and wash the fresh prawns and let's gather the rest of ingredients. Marinate the prawn with chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, mango powder, garlic powder, then salt for taste, vinegar, give good mix, then keep aside for 1 hour. In a frying pan, add olive oil in it. Once oil is heated up, add marinated prawns, fry the prawns both sides until turns to brown in color. Serve it hot with rice and dal. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this recipe, make sure you leave a comment on this video.